Hello guys, another exciting day in the world of crypto, and today I'm going to be covering a couple of coins and take a look at the price changes that we've seen over the last few days, and which are huge. If you haven't already, subscribe, drop a comment, let me know what you think about the video, and help us support the channel. So Ethereum right now is trading at 2,218. Not a pretty sight. So over the last like 3 days, where it was trading around 2,400, it's a $200 drop. It is actually pretty big. It is a big market move that happened, which we got stopped right now, which is the acting support level. And it's coming from resistance and support and kind of going back and forth over that. We're working our way down to the 200 EMA. So it's starting to look like we're going into a bear market all across crypto. And we'll take a look at that in just a few moments as the market all goes together. But I just want to cover these coins for you. So some major movements that have happened in the last couple of days. The volume was actually really, really high. Increased the volatility, and of course now it is just kind of retracing back to where we started. Now if we can maintain this level and get ready to bounce back up, which is good, it will be perfect. But I'm a little bit worried that we're going to work around 2 grand, two, then 100 around that area, which is starting to look that way. We don't see any signs really showing up. It started to go up a little bit today, but the prices started getting rejected. But if we do move forward, which we could actually right here, because we had this kind of structure moving in over the couple of days back from November, we could very well end back up around the $2,100 mark, which is showing it very highly. 2,100, 22,000 around this area is what I'm expecting it to go. So nothing with good news. Even in the 4 hour marks, we lost the most in the last 4 hours from 2,300 down now. So this was a major 4 hour move that dropped. So needing to actually dig in a little bit more of what happened here to see. So it could rally tenfold following historical trends, the analysis says, but the crypto whales moved 46 million in Ethereum across Binance, Bitfinex, and Avi. Now, this was like 2 hours ago. And this was probably around that same 4 hour mark. So this is what you're seeing probably of this big move right here, this big drop coming down. So nothing to be too scared of. It could start pumping back up. It is in the 4 hour a little bit, but getting rejected. But it's causing quite some chaos uh, across the market altogether. Now, AVAX is another one that kind of been hit pretty hard over the last couple of days. You can see it's trading around 28 bucks. Now, the resistance level that we're reaching is around 33. Now, to come back from that is kind of, difficult per se. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. There you go. So you can see that here we are definitely moving in a bear trend. Also, that market movement that we had coming out. Let me just pull up everything right here. So this market move right here, which could be around 23.2, which is also not very far away. I mean, just this few pips away. So we're moving down here. I don't think we're going to see anything. Maybe we'll have some positive upwards, but it's too close to call again. But right now, I'm not feeling bullish on this whatsoever. So we'll just have to pay attention. If it comes up kind of like this, but it continued to drop down, I mean, we have. Oh, it's just sickening. So if we kind of take a look here, and let's say our yeah, about right here, right? So even here in this moment, we're working down. If we kind of come up, we need to break above the trend line. But I don't think that's going to really happen. I mean, it's kind of like a rough trend, but just kind of giving you an idea. I'm not going to be like super specific. Even if we say here, it's still very far away. We could break above that, but it's not looking likely. And actually, we can call it this. Better yet, to kind of like go in a little bit deeper. So even here, we show, so even if this is our support level coming from here and here, right? Yeah, we can call that. So right now, as you can see, we fell below support, which is this is going to be our next, signifying that it's going to continue in the downward trend. I mean, like that's not good. So if this closes today, I am not going to be positive on it whatsoever. Now, if we can kind of start working back up, okay, cool. but AVAX, even in the 4-hour time frame, is not looking very good. 3 hours left, but um, it just looks sad. So we had that moment where we broke above and then it just got rejected. So yeah, no, nothing good whatsoever. So we'll just have to pay attention to AVAX to see what it's going to do. I would like to see it to kind of pump up. Of course, most of you guys would, but um, yeah, no cigar. So taking a look at the market as a whole, Solana crashed by 9.9%, Ethereum by 6.5, Bitcoin at 4.5. Also not trading well at all. You have H bar. The market is just bleeding out right now. AVAX, which is 9.6%. OP 10 fell. MNT 10.8. BNB 5.2, but you see any kind of players moving in? Not really. Honestly, not any whatsoever. And this bad boy fell 11%. So really not doing good. 0.7% Litecoin at 6.5. So drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Will it kind of work its way back up? Are we going to stay low? Are we really truly going to enter a altcoin season right now? And how is that going to affect? And what do you think about the ETF? What happened there? Let me know about your opinions in the comments below. And I will see you guys again in the next video.